Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duckbricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. This is actually the most recent set on this list. It came out literally just last year. This is the LEGO Hogwarts Gryffindor dorms. Now I am kind of annoyed at this set because this was a free gift if you spent a certain amount of money on Harry Potter. I think it was around $100 or something like that, some high amount of money on LEGO Harry Potter, but they introduced the free gift during a time period where no new LEGO Harry Potter sets had been released for a while. So the thing about me is that I typically tend to purchase all of my LEGO immediately on day one when they come out. So that's why it's kind of annoying when LEGO does free gifts like this, which are specifically meant to get people to spend more on LEGO Harry Potter, when they don't have a new Harry Potter set to coincide with it. Now, I can't complain too much. I respect the business. It is objectively in LEGO's favor to introduce sets like this when there are no new Harry Potter sets coming out. Let's say, for example, a brand new direct-to-consumer $250 Harry Potter set like the Hogwarts Icon set came out, and they made this GWP to coincide with it. Sure, a lot of people would be excited to get it, but people were probably going to buy that brand new set anyway. This is not going to convince them to buy the set, or maybe it'll convince some people, but not most people. Whereas if they release this during a time window where no new Harry Potter sets came out, that would spur some people who might have been holding off on buying LEGO Harry Potter sets to actually buy these sets for themselves. So I understand the hustle, but that's just kind of sad for me because then that means I have to buy this on the aftermarket because I had no reason to buy any Harry Potter sets that I already owned. So this actually doubles as a display card for the LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts trading cards or Famous Wizards trading cards. If you aren't aware, for LEGO Harry Potter's 10-year anniversary, they actually put out some of these wizard cards. They're essentially randomized in different sets. You don't know which one you're going to get in different sets, but they're different prints of famous wizards, and this is specifically meant to display them all. So if you have them all 16 of them can fit on this plate here. You slide it into the dormitory there, and there you go. It is both a dorm and a display feature. Little clunky to mesh those two things together, but it's all right. And of course, this is specifically built to fit in with the rest of the 2021 revamped Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle system, which is why it is literally just a room. It's a box with some pins on the side and the plates on the top to allow it to be stacked into any sort of module. It came with Harry and Ron in their child forms from either episodes 1 or 2 of Harry Potter, so I do appreciate the inclusion there, but again, it's a very, very simple build. I just had to get it because I'm a Harry Potter completionist. With that though, let's now move on. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also, let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very, very soon.